Oh, look who it is! It's my favorite cowgirl.
Well, howdy there, Jim, and happy Friendiversary. It's been swell knowing you for a year, and I am ready to celebrate.
It has been the perfect year. I'm ready to celebrate with you and make something that you made in a video. I'll be making
Ranch pudding. I've never heard of ranch pudding. It's like a little dessert, and it says it makes its own butterscotch sauce as it bakes. So I kind of wonder if this is like an impossible pie kind of thing.
ranch pudding will be a great treat at home on the ranch. Talk to you later. I need a pan. I'm gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 2.5 cups of water. Let that boil. Pour that juice into an 8-inch square baking pan. In a separate bowl, I need a cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of raisins. You can use dates too. Now you need a 1/2 cup of nuts. I'm using one of my favorite nuts, coconuts, in the bowl. And a 1.25 cups of one of my favorite ingredients, Bisquick. 1/2 cup of milk, a splash of vanilla. Give that a good mix. That sure is a lot of liquid. Now I'm gonna add this batter right into the juice. And now I just put this in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Something magical is supposed to happen inside this pan. Ranch pudding? Look at it! It's magical! Let's scoop it into a bowl. Wow! Let's try it. Mmm! Yippee! This is a really great treat. Ranch pudding has a lot of fun flavors inside. It's very caramely. Love that raisin and the coconut back note. I'm very impressed with ranch pudding. This is a perfect way to celebrate a Friendiversary. Thank you so much, Anna, from cooking the books. I love being your friend. I hope I done you proud with this ranch pudding.
Stop. What are you? The texture is maybe kind of like a hot fudge cake with like the fudge sauce, only it's more of a brown, sugary, nutty, fruity cake with like a butterscotch sauce. It is so dang good. You have to try this. This is amazing.
Make sure you go and check her channel and see what she made. I gotta tell you what I got from the bookshop. I found this cowboy cookbook. I might have to cook some recipes in here. They look good. Why are cowboys so bad at math? 'Cause they're always rounding things up.